Monumental day here.
It's going up, I tell you.
On this November 21st, 2003. The helicopter brings fuel for the first time.
It's running! Really scared.
Yeah. Jeff Dunn, excited pilot. Making a few adjustments. Still have yet to achieve air. What's the update?
I had it right the first time. It's just that when it starts to get off the ground, the prop wash coming back up sends me in this direction.
So after a few adjustments and a full tank of gas.
Yes, we hope it's going to work properly.
Quickly describe your emotion when you first saw it take off the ground.
I felt my heart skip a beat as it went a little too high for my liking. And then it also skipped another beat as it came down really fast.
Yeah, Jeff, any comments on the first crash?
Yeah, it was a good one. Looks like a walk away from that.
Yeah. A little bit of tail damage and a bump. Other than that, pretty good.